Hello everyone, my name is Bao Chau. Today I will show you a new story. I will reading this story and the name of this story is A Noise at the Window. Tap tap tap, I think someone is tapping at the window, I said. That can't be, answered Mom. Who could reach it? She stayed in her chair with her book open. Mom was right. We live in an apartment. We were on the 12th floor of the building. When I stood on the lawn outside our building, I could barely reach the first window. No one was 12th floor tall. Anyone could climb the fire escape, but someone could only reach the bedroom window at the back. No one could get to the living room window. Tap, tap, tap. Now I heard it, too, says Mom. That old. Maybe it's the pipe, I said. I was talking about the water pipe that ran along the wall on the outside of the building. But this wasn't a clang. It was a tap. Should we go see? I asked. You can if you want, Mom replied. I want to check, but I didn't want to check alone. I was scared. What if it was something scary? Tap, tap, tap. Don't you want to see too? I asked. I guess we should look, said Mom. She stood and we went to the window. We pulled back the curtain slowly. It was starting to rain. We could see the city skyline from our window. The pigeon tapped on more time and flew away. Thank you for listening. Please like and subscribe to my channel.